The AquaSense 2 Ultra Cleaner by Beatbot is a sophisticated robotic pool cleaner designed for complex pools, utilizing AI mapping technology to ensure comprehensive navigation and obstacle detection. This advanced cleaner offers a 5-in-1 cleaning solution, efficiently tackling the walls, floor, water surface, waterline, and water clarity, all powered by a cordless design. Featuring AI-powered cleaning, the AquaSense 2 can detect plant debris and offers a quick mode for faster cleanup, ensuring your pool is spotless in less time. Its dual-sided brushes and guide wheels significantly enhance debris cleaning on water surfaces, reaching challenging areas with precision through app control. The AquaSense 2 Ultra includes an automatic water clarification system that uses eco-friendly technology to bind particles, ensuring your pool water remains crystal clear. With intelligent path optimization and a smart surface parking feature, this robotic cleaner adapts to any pool shape and simplifies retrieval, making pool maintenance a breeze.